last week I got referred for a design gig, and one of the feedback I got was that my design are clean, but the client wants something different, and she asked if I would like to explore colors in my design. We had a nice chat, but after the call, I reviewed my portfolio. Then I realized something. My design looked the same, it looked clean and simple to use, which is essential for designs. And my clients always appreciate how I simplify flows and functionalities with a clutter-free interface. I design apps that work with clean interface, but they are not stunning. Have you used an app and you find yourself staring at the interface design because it's beautiful and stunning? The design requires you to take time to admire it. That's the level of design that I want. This experience made me review my design process, and I realized I create mood board for my project, focusing on the UX and not the aesthetics of the app. And as someone who doesn't pay attention to aesthetics on the day-to-day basis, this is not surprising. I spent the next few days looking at inspirations and documenting different UI design aesthetic style that I can find. I'm glad I had the meeting with the client, and this experience has taught me to design beautiful interfaces. My new watchword is make it work, then make it beautiful and stunning. To implement my new findings, I redesigned the fintech project I'm currently working on, designing the aesthetics, which is using gradients and glass effects in the UI. Can you believe this is the first time I'm using gradients in my design? I am a conservative designer. There are 4 factors that make your UI design great. It must work, it must be simple, it must be timeless, and it must be stunning. Your design should stand the test of time, trends, and new designs. And my design actually have everything except that it is not stunning, which is going to be corrected now. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy sharing my journey with you. Thank you for your love and support.